Alright, hi, I'm Willette, and my first milestone was getting a servo to run, which I have just done. So, basically, I got this servo to run using this Raspberry Pi, and so these are GPI opens over here, and they control the servo. The red wire has power, the green wire over here is the ground, and the white wire over here does pulse width modulation, which basically pulses or sends pulses of a certain time, I guess, and then that makes the motor turn depending on the pulse width. And then in doing this, I had a few problems, mainly with the SD card that downloads the software onto the Raspberry Pi. Once it came to actually getting the servo to move, that was pretty simple, but the SD card, at first I had formatting issues, and that was really difficult for me to overcome, but it was actually a very simple fix I figured out. Basically, the files on the SD card were in a folder when they needed to be out of the folder, which disallowed the Raspberry Pi from reading it. So that I just fixed by looking it up on Google, which is a good source. And then I also ran into a problem with connecting it to my computer. I haven't really figured that out yet because I don't really want to use this keyboard and this display. They're kind of bulky and they are a mess of wires. So I'm going to try to figure that out in the next couple of days. And then also I built this lock over here. That was a pretty simple process. I ran into a problem with having a huge knot in the wood, which I had to file out, which was pretty annoying. And yeah, but it works, so that's good. I had to learn a lot to do that because I had to make mechanical drawings or manufacturing drawings, and I had to, and I also modeled it using SketchUp, which was new for me. So I learned a lot doing that, and the next steps for me are probably going to be interfacing the servo and the lock, and then writing the program to make the servo get controlled by my phone. And